Thinking about the 2026 Kawasaki Z400, I've spent some time riding it, and here's my honest take on it. The Kawasaki Z400 is a lightweight naked bike that feels incredibly approachable, especially for newer riders. It uses a 399cc parallel twin engine, and while it's not the most powerful in its class, it's smooth and forgiving in traffic. On the road, it feels light, flickable, and honestly pretty fun when you push it through corners. Comfort is decent too, with an upright riding position that works well for daily commuting or weekend rides. Brakes and suspension are basic, but do the job for this price range. Nothing fancy, but reliable. So, is the Kawasaki Z400 the best choice for you? If you're a beginner or want a simple, no-stress commuter, it's definitely worth a look. But if you're chasing high speed or advanced tech, you might want to look at bigger options. Overall, it's a solid, reliable, and easy-to-live-with motorcycle that does exactly what it promises. I'd say it's one of the most balanced entry-level bikes you can buy in 2026, especially for everyday riding.